In this video, I will show you how to flip elements. Use for this the function mirror flip element. First I show you how to mirror one element. Select the mirror line and then click the element which has to be flipped. If you want to flip several elements at once, first select the mirror line and then use the multi-selection. What is the difference between the function flip element and the function mirror element? If you use the function flip element, the elements you click are not anymore at their original position. If you use the function mirror element, the original elements stay on their place.